Dear students, today in this video we are going to discuss chapter 2 chemistry class 10th, and today's topic is dilution of acid and base. So in general terms, if we say dilution of something, then it simply means adding of water into it. For example, if we want to dilute the milk, then we simply add water into it. But here is a different case. Here we want to dilute acid and base. Now what will happen if we take, suppose, ml HCl and we add water into it. Now what will happen? As the water reaches the acid, then suddenly the entire volume of acid start releasing H positive ions. And as the entire volume start releasing the H positive ions into the solution, then due to the very high concentration of the H positive ions, there is a local heating. And due to that local heating, either the content may splash out of the test tube or the test tube may burst and the content may be fallen on the face. So it is not better to add water into acid. So if we add water, then it may be accidental, as the acid or the basic content may come out of the test tube. Now what is the correct method of diluting an acid or a base? First of all, we need to take a test tube or a glass beaker we can take, add little bit of water into it. So take a test tube, and in this test tube we have taken little bit of water, and we need to add acid, concentrated acid or base, whatever we want to dilute. Now the correct sequence and the correct procedure is, we need to add acid or base which we want to dilute into the water content slowly, means drop by drop, and by continuous stirring with the help of glass rod. We can take a glass rod and we need to stir the content regularly. Now children, in this case, at a time one drop of acid or base reaches to the water. One drop, simply we can take 1 ml, roughly we can take 1 drop means 1 ml. So 1 drop reaches to the water means at a time only 1 ml of acid or base gets ionized. So there would be very less local heating and no chances for accidents. It means very low local heating means the acidic content will not come out of the test tube, neither the test tube get burst. So it would be preferable to add acid or base which you want to be diluted into water slowly, drop by drop, and with continuous stirring. Thank you, dear students.